channel Super Super. Hey guys, iba to cook school. Yun ang open house. Friday. Dito Zoom guys. Nasa labas. Outside. Open house. Is return today. Yes, sir. Mamo ni Kiyo. Si Linet.
Kasi
yes, Bushman. It's the product. Eliminate edition. Live sa Facebook. Yan ang video. Ang cellphone nyo. Sulit. Ay, na lang customer. Ay, bago ito para mo. Dito na sila. Basta.
Wala na yung wasal area, wasal loob.
wala mo man ng video para bago mo.
Si Arne, yung iboy. May iboy ko bansit. Yung sabo-sabo.
Oo. Pwede na nakalakas.
Kasi iba.
Okay.
Something. Si Blossom. Yung Dabi team dito na. Si Kasi.
Then, tapos pag nag-edit kayo ng pang-rail nyo, isama nyo lang dun yung one can of condensed.
Edio.
Ano ko yan? Yung ingredients. So...
Okay, ulitin ko ha. 8 egg yolk.
Meron na akong yan.
Wala po yun, maliliit kasi.
Okay, one can of condensed, 1 can of evap, 1 can of evap. Vanilla extract is optional. Okay, and then you need 1 cup, 1/4 cup of sugar to caramelize on your 2-quart. Okay, and then your electric skillet with 2 cups of water. Okay, then cut. Okay, pwede na tayo mag-start.
dito may arts.
Alright, so ngayon,
One ka na malaki yan, Sir Dong.
yung regular na kanan. Ng
Iba po yan, no?
Iba po. Yan. Mix mo lang. Mix nyo lang lahat.
Tapos,
Tanggalin mo kasi yan kasi may cellphone.
Cellphone, dami cellphone.
Dito sis.
Tanggalin mo yung sound.
1 can of condensed milk. And then mix.
Huwag niyo isama yung mukha ni Sir Dong. Kunwari nasa World Cup. So, nasa Pinoy.
Alam mo yung video nila nakaganon, no?
Oo, nakatano naman talaga, di ba? So, gano'n niyo siya, oh.
Galing mo naman eh.
Oh. Okay. And then we're gonna steep
Diba
it.
ikakat-kat
So,
sa short video.
Preparehin po muna ang i-boil mo muna.
habang piniprepare nyo yung mixing nyo, lagay nyo na yung temperature.
Masusunog.
Hindi na.
Mahinang kita. Kung mahina, para lang matunaw ka. Kasi natunaw nung yan, taktan mo.
Pang-reels nyo sa Facebook nyo para you have social media, business. And Salad Master. Wala ka ba?
Or gusto ka lang itong fresh taste.
Magawin natin mamaya.
Okay.
Handle dito.
Sabaw na ang white chicken. Ay, gulay.
Okay, then strain nyo lang siya. Okay? Walang kamay. Pwede nyo yung video from there.
Cover. Plastic. Paper.
Ayan, cover. Okay? And then focus dito. Dito tayo. Okay. Timer. 40 minutes. Balik. Pangit ng ng probe. Sira
yung probe. Delete daw. 40 minutes.
Basta, video nyo na lang, focus nyo na lang dito sa 40 minutes.
Kuha ka na lang ng ibang video. Tapos i-attach.
I-edit nyo naman yan, di ba? Okay.
Hi guys.
We're gonna make the what's this cochinta. So the
Cochinta, guys.
ingredients are
Filipino.
3/4 cup of brown
Food.
sugar, half cup of
Brown sugar.
all-purpose flour, half cup of tapioca flour, and then 1.5 cup of water. Then yung annatto powder or annatto seed is for the coloring, and then we will use 1 tablespoon.
Wala pa.
Ilan na kailang minutes?
Sandali lang.
Hindi ko na video.
Na ano mo na yan, nakabisado mo na
Hindi
yung
pa na-video.
temperature. Be perfect.
Yung boxing sa lang. Ang set. Maliit. Kaldera. Ang malaki. Complete mo na set din.
Ano ba gusto nyo? MP5 or electric skillet? Nakakama to?
Electric.
Okay, so we will wait for the next delivery.
Okay, smile po, smile.
Siyempre, sa support ng office, hindi, lahat tayo sa teamwork, di ba? So, kasi advice, tapos pag-naman natin, it really helps. And also, the one thing that helped us most is the training is the business partner, booking part. That's really helped us a lot to achieve our.
Congratulations.
To the last part, actually we already panicked during that time because we thought we got.
We thank you for them.
Kala lang hindi namin ma-reach.
Yung dalawa na.
Oo, pinagtatawagan namin yung mga movie partner. So thanks God, they really help us to give us the number of.
And again, part of the future 3090 Challenger as well. What was your biggest struggle in your 3090 and how you overcome it?
Yung biggest struggle talaga namin, yung walang ulo. Nakakapagod. Sometimes you don't know how to breathe. But you will just go on kasi you have something that you want to achieve. So, talagang, sometimes you don't know that you can do it unless you will do it.
It's also helped a lot also during that time, the time that we have a multiple numbers of book show. So our body is already fed up. So those little book that office gave us, you know, the script. That's really good. So the time that we cannot deliver ourselves our script, we just look this script and read it to the customer because it's there.
Everything is
there. So
Thank you. And last one is from the 30 shows. What have you learned? And what have you developed? The skills and anything that you have developed that you
like, share, comment,
So, ito meron.
subscribe.
So, ito na